guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS deals. I appreciate everyone that watches my video every week. Thank you for your support, and if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it and enjoy it here. Let's go see what deals we can find. The first deal I'll be sharing will be a repeat deal from last week. It's still going on this week as well. It's on any Bayer. It's on buy one get one half off. My store is wiped out. I'm just sharing it in case your store still have it, because we've been having this deal for a while now. Picking up two of the ones priced at $3.99. One will be half off. There is no coupon for this. You pay the $5.99 and you get $5 back, making both items 99 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal will be on spend 10 on any Colgate total. You get $5 back, and this is a limit of 2 per card. Picking up two of the Colgate Total toothpaste, priced at $5.29 each. Both items will come up to $10.58. We all received a 4 off 2 digital coupon today in our app. When that applies, it will bring it down to $6.58 and you get $5 back, making both items $1.58 or 79 cents each. If you have 2 off 10 or 2 off 8 Colgate CRT, this would be a good time to use it. The next deal is another Colgate toothpaste deal. It's the Colgate Total Plague pre-release toothpaste. It's on buy one get $4 back and it's a limit of 2. Picking up one price at $11.99. I have a $3 app coupon that is applying to this. But if you don't have yours, there is one on coupons.com app. All you have to do is submit your receipt. I have a 3 off 18 Colgate CRT, but it's not attaching to this item. With the $3 app coupon, it will bring it down to $8.99 and I'll get $4 back, making this item just $4.99. The next day will be on the Boost Original 6-pack. It's on buy 2, get $4 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the originals on sale for $9.79 each. Both of them will come up to $19.58, and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that is applying to this. And I received a 4 off 12 any protein powder, shake or bar CRT in my email that will also apply to it. It will bring it down to $9.58. I'll pay that and get $4 back, making both items $5.58 or $2.79 each. Next deal will be on the spend 10, get $3 back, and Palmolive and Ajax dish soap is part of it. If you want the Ajax, you can pick it up, but picking up 2 of the Palmolive, priced at $4.99 each, and using the 75 cents coupon I got from coupons.com, we have one in our app, and if you don't have the paper coupon, you can also check coupons.com app and submit for your second item. These 2 items will come up to $9.98, which is within the 98% rule of spending 10. Make sure your store follows that. And using 2 of these paper coupon will bring it down to $8.48. I'll pay that and get $3 back, making both items $5.48 or $2.74 each. L'Oreal Elvive is on the deal of buy 2, get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the shampoo and conditioner, priced at $5.59 each. 2 of them will come up to $11.18. And I have this 3 off 2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com. And we also have a matching one in our app that will double dip and take off $6, leaving me to pay just $5.18 and I'll get $5 back, making both items 18 cents or 9 cents each. The next deal will be on Love Beauty and Planet Hair Care. It's on buy 2, get $2 back, limit of 1, and it's on sale for 2 for $13. Everybody received a 4 off 2 digital coupon today that will apply to it. And I received a 3 off 10 hair care CRT in my text message that I also like to use in this deal. It will bring it down to $6 and I'll get $2 back, making both items $4 or $2 each. The next deal will be on Garnier Facial Care. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back, limit of 1. If your store still have the cheaper ones, you can pick it up, but my store only have the peel-off mask, priced at $8.29, and I'll be using this $2 coupon I got from coupons.com. We also have one in our app that will apply to the second one. If you don't have the paper coupon, check coupons.com app, because there is one there that will also you will get back when you submit your receipt. I have a 2 of 10 Ghanaian CRT. When both coupons and the CRT apply, it will bring it down to $7.26 and I'll get $5 back, making both items $2.26 or just $1.13 each. The next deal is another buy one get one 40% off, and it's on Secret Gillette Old Spice deodorant. Buy 2 get $3 back, limit of 1. I can't pick up these ones, the cheaper ones, because the Ibotta rebate I have is not attaching to this. Instead, I will pick up the more expensive ones, priced at $8.49, and the second one will be $5.09. These two items will come up to $13.58, and everybody received a 3 off 2 CRT today that will apply to this and bring it down to $10.58, and I'll get $3 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta to get back $2 on each item, bringing it down again to $3.58 or $1.79 each. The next deal, I don't have any paper coupon for, but I saw it in the store. I decided to share it in case if anybody wants it. It's on Suave deodorant. It's on buy one, get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $3.49, and the second one will be $1.75. Both of them will come up to $5.24, and you have to pay that and get $2 back, making both items $3.24 or $1.62 each. The next deal is on CoverGirl Cosmetics. It's on buy 3, you get $9 back, limit of 1. Picking up 3 of the Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $4.99 each. 3 of them will come up to $14.97. We all received a $4 coupon in our app today, and also in today's insert, there is another $4 there. Depending on how many coupons you have, if you just have one, you can submit your receipt to coupons.com app for the third one. But if you have the 3 coupons, it will bring it down to $2.97. You pay that and get $9 back, making all 3 items free and a $6.03 moneymaker. The next deal will be on the spend 20 on Revlon, get $8 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of these lipsticks priced at $10.29 each, it will come up to $20.58. And I have 2 of the $3 coupon we got in the 6-4 savings set that expired on the 17th. And we also received a $5 instant CRT today, and I have a 4 off 20 Revlon CRT that will also apply. It will bring it down to $5.58 and I'll get $8 back, making both items free and a $2.42 moneymaker. You can also do this deal different by picking up 2 of the Color Stay eyeliner priced at $9.99, and that will come up to $19.98, which is still within the 98% rule. Using 2 of the $2 paper coupon that we got from 6-4 savings set and the instant CRT, plus the 4 off 20 Revlon CRT, it will bring it down to $6.98 and I'll get $8 back, making both items free and a $1.02 moneymaker. You can do either one because this deal is a limit of 1. The next deal will be on spend 30 get $10 back, limit of 1, and this will be all digital deal. Picking up the Downy Unstoppable on sale for $6.99, and I also pick up the Downy Fabric Conditioner on sale for $6.99 as well. To get to 30, I'll be picking up 2 of the Nature Bounty Immune 24-Hour Plus vitamins on sale for buy one get one free, and it's priced at $18.49. I'll be picking up 2. These 4 items will come up to $32.47, which is way past the spend 30 amount that I need to get the $10 back. We have a $3 digital coupon that will apply to the Nature Bounty item. We also have a $2 for the Unstoppable in our app and a $1 for the Downy Fabric Conditioner also in the app. When these 3 coupons apply, it will bring it down to $26.47 and I'll get $10 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta to get back $5 for buying 2 of the Nature Bounty. making all these 4 items $11.47 or $2.87 each, which I think is a great price since I'm not even using any next purchase CRT for this deal. But if you have one, you can also apply the next purchase CRT to this transaction. The next deal I'll be sharing will be on buy 2 Cottonelle or Viva rolls, get $5 back. Picking up 2 of the 9 mega rolls, the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls, on sale for $10.49. These 2 items will come up to $20.98. We have a $1 digital coupon that will apply to this and bring it down to $19.98. You pay that and get $5 back. Then I'll also submit my receipt to coupons.com app to get back $1 for the second Cottonelle, making these 2 items $13.98 or $6.99 each. This deal will be on Mederma Bactin or New Skin. It's on buy 1 get $4 back, limit of 1. Picking up the Bactin Max Wound Wash, priced at $14.99. And there is a $1.50 coupon on coupons.com, or you can submit your receipt to coupons.com app. It will bring it down to $13.49 and it will give back $4. My Ibotta, I have a $4.99 for buying this item. That's the only one that is scanning. After the rebate, it will make this item just $4.50. The next deal is not giving back any extra care box, but General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.99. Picking up 2 of the Lucky Charms, it will come up to $3.98. And everyone have a one-off 2 General Mills digital coupon that apply to this, bringing it down to $2.98. And also check your Ibotta because I have a $1.50 back when I buy 2, making it $1.48 for both or 74 cents each. Another good snacks to pick up this week will be on the Rice Krispies treats. It's on sale for $1.99 and picking up 2 will bring it up to $3.98. Check out Kellogg website and print out a $1 coupon off too. Using the coupon, it will bring it down to $2.98, making both items $2.98 or $1.49 each. Or you can pick up 2 Pop-Tarts. They're also on sale for $1.99 each. It's the same thing with the Rice Krispies. Going back to Kellogg website, print out a $1 off coupon for the Pop-Tarts. It will bring it down to $2.98 or $1.49 each. I don't have any more deals to share, but I found some coffees on sale, so I decided to record this part. Hopefully your store have it in case you need it. And this is where my video ends this week. Thank you all for your support and coming back to watch my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.